and this is English for you. It's been a couple weeks since we've had a video. Life has been crazy and we've been a little busy coming up with new ideas and just having other things happening in our life. But we're back and we have some great videos coming up for you in the following weeks. Now, today's video is going to be talking about two different types of words used in sentences. So we will look at in time and on time and what the difference is between them. The idea for this video came from my husband. English is not his first language, and he had trouble with this when he first heard it. He was unsure of when to use it and how to use it. So we will take a look, learn some sentences, and give you the chance to practice. So let's take a look really quick at the board. Here we have in time, and on the other side we have on time. Now, they sound very similar, but they are very different. So in time means that you have enough time to do something. You have arrived early or before. So you have extra time or just the right amount of time. Okay, so a great thing to look at for in time is an example of a sentence here. Now, I would like you to please repeat after me. Here we go. I arrived just in time for the meeting to start. I arrived just in time for the meeting to start. Great job! This sentence is talking about someone using in time to let others know they arrived or got to work in enough time to be ready for their meeting. They were not late. They were there with just the right amount of time. It can be a little tricky. Now let's take a look over at the other side. Here we have on time. Now on time is meaning a specific time, like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You have a set time, whereas in time means you have time or it can happen in time. There's not a specific time to it. So here is an example sentence when using on time. Please listen and repeat after me. The train is on time and will arrive at 1 p.m. The train is on time and will arrive at 1 p.m. Great work! As you can see, the sentences are different and they're using different meanings. Now, something I would like you to remember with on time is in my example sentence, I said 1 p.m. But when you're using it for conversation, you might not need to say the time. If you and the person you're talking to have already talked about a time before, then you might say something different. So let's say you and your husband or wife agreed on Monday that on Tuesday you would go to lunch at 12:30. That means then on Tuesday, you might say to them, make sure you are on time. Simple sentence, but you don't need to say the time because you talked about that time before. So you can try that one with me. Please repeat after me. Make sure You're on time. Great job. These are two things you'll hear a lot. You will use on time a lot more than in time. It happens naturally in conversation, but you will hear and you might say in time from time to time. So when we look at in time, you could also say a sentence like this. Please repeat after me. Please make sure you arrive in time to have breakfast. Perfect job. This is, again, you don't have a specific time. You are talking about having enough time to do something, whether that's eat breakfast, go to a meeting, get ready before your meeting. Okay? You could say, please arrive to work on time. That means if work starts at 9 o'clock, you arrive at 9 o'clock. Please try repeating after me. Please arrive to work on time. Great job. Now, in time, different, and we've talked about this. Let's take a look at another example of in time. Maybe you have a child or a friend, and your friend or child says, "Oh, my school is so hard. I will never graduate. I will never get smarter." You could say, "Don't worry. You'll get better in time." This sentence is talking about and telling them that it will take time, but you will improve, you will get better, you will graduate. Why don't you try saying this kind of sentence with me? Please repeat after me. Don't worry, you'll get better in time. Great job. Now, let's do one more sentence for each and see how that goes. So, on time, a specific time. Okay, so let's think for a second. What would be a great on-time sentence? Okay, here we go. This could be if you need to pick up children from school. You could say, "The children will be done school at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Please be on time to pick them up." Great job. You've given a specific time, which was the 2 o'clock, and then you said to be on time to whoever will be picking them up. Now, let's do one more in time to see how that goes. What should we do for this one this time? Here we go. Don't worry about your English. You will get better in time. Perfect job. And some good advice for all of you watching and listening. English can be very hard, but if you study every day and practice on your own, it will get better. You just have to keep trying. I promise that if you practice your English and you do your best, in time, you will get better. You don't have to worry too much. So, here are some things to remember. In time means you have enough time to do something, early or before. On time on the other hand, means you have a specific time, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock, morning, afternoon. Specific. You can practice these sentences on your own at home with this video or on your own in the mirror of the bathroom. It's great practice to look in a mirror and watch your mouth for pronunciation purposes. Also, please leave any comments, questions, or concerns below in the comment section. As well, if you want to try making your own in-time and on-time sentences, feel free to write them in the comment section. I will do my best to look below and answer them for you. If it's correct, I will tell you or like your sentence. If there are any mistakes, I will be happy to correct the sentence for you in the comments. Give me some time, but I try to respond to all comments that are referring to questions, concerns, or practice sentences. Thank you so much for your support for our channel. Without you, we couldn't make these videos. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, English for You. Thank you so much for watching.